everyone. Today I will tell you about collocation. Do you know about collocation?
No.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Why are you here? You don't know about that? Okay. Collocations. First, we're going to know about what's in collocations. A little bit definition. Collocations is two or small words. That's often go together. There's combinations. Do you know combination? Combinations put together. Just sound right to native English speakers who use them all the time. On the other hand, other combinations may be unnatural and just sound wrong. Okay, let's move on some example. Sorry. To collocate is a verb, and it's a from a word in Latin, collocate. It means to place together. Okay, let's see this. Do you think what column is right collocation? Which column is right? Do you know it?
The first on the left. The first on the left.
The first on the left?
Yeah.
Is the freight trains or the quick trains? Or fast food or quick food?
Fast food.
Fast food?
Yes.
Quick sour, fast sour, quick meal or fast meal? Okay. Okay. This column is collocations. Yeah, in any language also has a huge number of collocations. For example, I will take some collocations in my language, which Vietnamese. What is this? A dog. Can you tell me more?
A black dog.
A black dog, okay. So a black dog in Vietnamese we call it con chó đen. Yeah, you can see here, đen meaning black. But it's not, we do not usually call like that. Actually, when we call a black dog, we call con chó mực. With mực means black ink. So if you call that, it means a black ink dog. Can you get that? Can you get that? Okay, again. A black dog. But in Vietnamese we don't usually call the black dog. We usually call con chó đen, we call con chó mực. But if you translate word by word to English, it means a black ink dog. But when the native Vietnamese speaker they hear that, they can understand what you say about what you're talking about. Okay. What kind of cat?
Brown and black.
Do you know this?
Three color.
Three color, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Three color cat, or we can call calico. But in Vietnamese we call that mèo tam thể. Tam is mean three. Thể is body. So if you call it a three body cat, it's like this. Three body, right? We never call the three color cat. We call it a three body cat. Okay, you get it? Why we learn collocation? With collocation, you can your language, your English will be more natural and more easier to understand for a native speaker. And you have alternative and richer way to expressing yourself. It's easier for our brain to remember and use language rather than a single word. You know, learn phrase or collocations is better than you learn a single word in English. Easier to remember. So I will let's move on to some There are many different types of collocations, but there's some common type. There are 6 types of collocations. Okay, first is adjectives and plus nouns. This is an example. Jeans always wear red or yellow or some other bright color. And noun and verbs. The internet has created opportunity for our business. So it's okay. Verb and adverb. I love you and I want to marry you. The man whispered softly to the woman. Adverb and adjective, they are happily married. That's some example. And I want to show some common collocations in take. We have take a shower, take a photo, take a risk. That's it. Or in house, we have French, have a lunch, have a dinner. Yeah.
Get lost.
So now I have some exercise with you.
Mm-hmm.
Can you do that? Okay. So what do you plan for a living?
Mm-hmm.
Do?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2. Have you planned your homework yet? Done. Number 3. Have you planned a decision yet?
Make.
Amber's blank.
Did.
Did?
Yeah.
Okay. The children's playing a mess of the
Made.
Okay. This is the answer.
Yes.
Mm.
So there's a series to learn collocation. First, learn by us, practice and put it use.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you for your attention about this. Okay.
Very good. Professor, very good. Yeah? So how do you learn collocations? How often do you practice what you preach? How often do you practice this? Collocations.
I think I just read and I have familiar with that collocation.
Yeah. Frequency. This is just like a sport. You have to watch the movies, listen to the radio, listen to native speakers talk. The more you do it, the more fluent this becomes. We have collocations in Chinese and Vietnamese in all different languages. So it's the frequency of use that exposes you to it. Okay? You missed a really good presentation just now.
Anyone have questions?
Yeah. Any other questions? No? Okay, good job. Ty, did you ever find your presentation online?
Yes.
You did, okay. All right,
Thank you.
sure. Inference. Okay, come close. Do you need the tick?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2,